This is Nantong Dongqing Machinery, a professional food equipment manufacturer with over 20 years of experience. Dongqing supplies complete food equipment solutions for wholesalers, distributors, retailers, restaurants, and hotels worldwide. With a 15,000 Maoris 2 factory, 50 production lines, and 100 skilled staff, Dongqing produces over 6,000 machines annually and has received 56 industry awards. Everything starts with strict raw material selection. Each component is inspected to ensure long-term reliability. Advanced machining and mature processes ensure every key component fits precisely and runs smoothly. Each mixer is assembled by experienced technicians because details define quality. Before delivery, every machine passes multiple tests. Only qualified products leave our factory. Now, let us introduce Dongqing's belt-driven Planetary mixer series. Made with imported belts, high-precision gears, and CE-certified electrical components, these mixers are sturdy, durable, and reliable. The stainless steel safety cover ensures protection. Once opened, the mixer stops immediately for safety. 3 practical attachments and 3 speed settings make every recipe easy to handle. Available from 10L to 150L, perfect for home baking, cafes, bakeries, and food processing plants. Powerful performance with low noise, finished with scratch-resistant paint for long-lasting beauty. If you are looking for a safe, powerful, and all-round mixer, Dongqing's belt-driven Planetary mixer series is your best choice.